Hi everyone, if it's your first time on my channel, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around with me on my channel. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you some video clips and pictures of my my trainings I've been having with my students. A lot of people have been asking me on my YouTube channel if I actually train students. And actually, yes, I do train students from within Lagos, Nigeria, and outside Lagos. And of course, we do online classes. So this video is here to explain to you or to show you that yes, we do serial like different types of trainings. And if you really want me to train you, you can just connect me on Instagram. I'm definitely going to drop my Instagram link on the description box so that you can actually connect with me to find out the different trainings we have. And we also have online classes. So for those that can't come for the on-site trainings, you can actually come for my online classes. Distance should not be a barrier for you to acquire knowledge. So anywhere you are in the world, you can actually chat me up just in case you need a course to learn. So this video is to explain to most of you that have been asking me questions in regards to cake training. So I hope you can see for yourselves that my students, by the grace of God, I've taught a lot of bakers within Lagos and outside Lagos, and of course bakers all over the world, globally. We've had students from US, from Canada, from within Nigeria, within South Africa, like lots and lots of them that I've taught online. So I hope these pictures, you can see it for yourselves that my students, I've actually, I gave them trainings, that ones that came for, physical classes. So I hope these videos and these pictures, explains it to you that yes, I do trainings. So guys, if you really want to, if you want me to train you, you can actually connect me on Instagram. Like I said previously in this video, there's a link. My Instagram link is in the description box below. Okay, so just connect me, chat me up, and then so that you can smile like these ones, right now. And definitely trust me, guys, you will definitely get value for your money. My trainings are always lively, that whereby you just have no choice than to smile at the end of the day. So you can see this one smile. So guys, you can chat me up if you really want me to train you. And for those that actually want me to travel, like if you really want me to come to your country to come and teach, no problem. Only if you can sponsor my flight. Only if you can sponsor my flight down to your country. Of course, why not? I'll definitely come. Okay. So guys, I hope this video explained everything to you about my trainings. And yes, I do training. So guys, enjoy the remaining parts of this video and have an amazing time. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get videos or to get notification of when I upload any video. Alright guys, I'll see you in my other video, and bye for now. Enjoy the many clips of this video. Ciao. If you go, amazing, nice one. See you're smiling. See you. Well done, ladies. Well done. So, hope you're enjoying your class. Your feedback, please. Hope you're getting value.
Yes.
Are you just learning only whipped cream? What else? Yeah, that's listening. And what again? How to do what? That's right. So ladies, in my class, you don't just learn how to make whipped cream cakes. There are so many things that are combined on this classes. So if you're not in this class, like I say, you're actually missing a lot. exactly. So in that case, need to patch those holes I'm seeing on the body of the guest. That place, patch it. So ladies, okay.